Can you dive into snorkeling without being a swimming pro? Absolutely. Here's the lowdown on snorkeling for those who don't swim, packed with insider tips to keep you buoyant and enjoying the underwater views. Swimming versus snorkeling, a clear difference. First off, snorkeling is a surface water activity. You don't need to be Michael Phelps to enjoy it. It's more about floating and observing than swimming. If you're worried about staying afloat, there's gear for that: life jackets, inflatable rafts, and snorkel vests designed to keep you bobbing along with ease. Choosing your flotation gear. Snorkeling is about buoyancy, making sure you stay afloat to enjoy the sights below without a hassle. There's a whole array of devices out there, from the traditional life jackets to innovative snorkel vests that use air for adjustable buoyancy. These vests are key. They're not only for safety but also for comfort, allowing you to stay at the surface effortlessly or dive deeper on a whim. Life jackets, not just for swimmers. Even if you've never taken a swim lesson, a classic life jacket or a specialized snorkel vest can be your best friend in the water. However, using them might require a bit of creativity to maintain the perfect snorkel posture. You can strap them around your waist or wear them backward to align with your center of gravity, keeping you in a good position to explore underwater life. Where to snorkel, setting yourself up for success. Your choice of location can make or break your snorkeling experience. Opt for calm waters with gentle waves, and consider places where you can stand. This isn't just about comfort, it's about safety. Being able to touch down or being close to the shore can give you a sense of security, which is crucial if you're not confident in your swimming abilities. Warm waters and the saltwater advantage. Warm water not only makes for a more pleasant experience but also helps your body maintain its temperature without wasting energy. And here's a fun fact: saltwater helps you float better than freshwater. So, if you're choosing between the two, salty seas might be your best bet for an easier float. Buddy system, not just for kids. Never snorkel alone. Whether you're a newbie or an old hand at snorkeling, having a buddy is essential. It's about safety as much as it is about sharing the fun. If you don't have a snorkel buddy, consider joining a guided tour. They provide not just companionship, but also expert oversight. Getting comfortable, practice makes perfect. Before you hit the ocean, spend some time getting used to your gear in a controlled environment like a pool. Familiarity breeds comfort, and being calm can significantly enhance your snorkeling adventure. If you're up for it, a few swimming lessons might not hurt, offering you basic skills that can enhance your snorkeling experience. In essence, snorkeling is an accessible, enjoyable water activity that doesn't require expert swimming skills. With the right gear and a mindful approach to choosing your location and conditions, anyone can explore the underwater world with confidence and safety.